I was flying, and the very last thing this thing saw was this. And now it looks like that. And I really don't think it was that hard of a crash, but you know what, whatever. I paid the money, I have this premium camera now, and I'm going to use it. So I ordered 5 of these. I thought it was just the glass, but it looks like it's the whole assembly. It came very nicely packaged. I see it now. I'm so dumb. There's 4 screws that I have to take out. Okay. 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 So that's really stuck on there. It's that little stick thing that we got 3 of. I'm assuming because the LED one we reuse? Why did we only get 3? Oh no, we did get 4. The other one's with the lens. Okay. Sure. We're gonna find out exactly what Torx screwdriver this is. This is a T3. Oh, it fits so easily. Yeah, it's definitely a T3. This just literally comes out like that. Oh, that was so simple and easy. Oh, what the... Wow, okay, so look, there's the freaking camera. There's everything. There's the Wi-Fi antenna. There's some board. There's another board. There's the LiPo battery. Well, let's install this now. Alright, look at that. Nice and pristine. New glass lens. Okay. Alright, and then once you get all 4 of your screws out, you just... And you take the speaker out. Oh, yeah. And then you get rid of your old camera lens. You don't need it. Because we got the new one. Alright. Let's get a microfiber cloth. Wipe the inside lens. And wipe the inside of the glass. And now... Alright, we got a new screen on there. Let's get these screws out of here. I need a T3.
You know what? That was actually super easy. I'm glad they gave me the whole assembly, the whole front assembly. I guess they thought of this when they gave it cheap ass glass, and they're like, oh, people are gonna have to replace the front a lot. So let's make it super easy. Let's make it 4 screws, and the whole front just comes apart. I'm sure. That works. But like, still upset that it happened. That was not a hard crash. And like, look at that. That was it's death. It is destroyed. Ugh.
Ah, yes. Don't forget to put your little thingamabobs in there. You get 3 generic ones and one with the hole. Make sure you put the one with the hole over the LED, otherwise you won't know what your camera's doing. And honestly, these just slide right in there. It's super easy. And honestly, it looks pretty professional when those go back on. I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy I have 5 more of these. Doesn't even look like I opened it. It looks like it's a brand new Caddx Orca.